Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Herrington. This was my favorite station in the game, in the classic version. I used to love the station. I used to go here every single time. So I'm gonna film commuter trains here, and yeah, enjoy. Welcome to Herrington, guys. So Herrington in the classic version used to have 4 platforms, but now it is served by 3 platforms. And I believe this station is mostly served by commuter. And other types of trains, other types of trains will pass 2 platforms. Platform 3 is used for terminating trains as well. Platform 4 is also not in use. We have a pacer now departing Herrington. Man, I'm still in love with this station to this day. And it's been like probably 1 year since I've actually visited the station before, in person. Well, not in person, but in the game.
They're the ones who are actually going to be involved. People actually want to be involved in the everyday decision making, and there are people who do.
I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.